Caroline. I'm here to help you feel your best. Sharing with you all my healthy recipes.
Gonna make a green smoothie.
Teaching you workouts that make you fit, toned, happy. Using your own body weight. Let's do it all with a big smile. Hey guys, welcome to a quick lower abs workout. Get down on your mat, your upper body is high. We go in 3, in 2, lower down your heels and up, down and high. Keeping your head resting in your hands so there's no tension in your neck. And lower down your legs, low and up, down and up. So good. I love this one. It's kind of an easy one, but the burn is just building up and you really feel this in your lower abs. Exactly what we are focusing on today. Come on, down and up. This is a quick and effective workout, and I hope this view makes you feel like you have a little mini vacation and you're just right here with me on the beach. Down and up, down and up. So good. All right, guys, keep going. My mat was just flying away here. Now your left heel goes in and out. Both of your heels on the mat and your left leg is kicking up and down, up and down. Just like that. Only your heels on the mat. Left. Yep, keep going, guys. You're killing this already. Give me a big smile. This is your time for yourself. In, back, in, back. So good. Yep, just a few more. And to the right, right and down, in and down. Yep, I know this feels easy first. Enjoy it. This is your little mini vacation here, in and back. And really focus your mind on your lower abs here. You can see them working in, back. Time is flying by. Few more. All right, guys, now you're crunching in and extend. You're crunching in, elbows to your knees, and then you extend your legs straight. Extend straight and crunch. Extend and crunch. Another one which I absolutely love. And the key with this workout is you want to take no breaks. It's a quick and effective one. You can do this. Come on, in, extend. Just look at this beautiful beach here. Summer's around the corner, which is always the best motivation. Stay here, straight legs and kicking here. Come on, scissors straight. You can keep your arms straight to the side or your head resting in your hands. Straight legs here, kicking. Let's go, guys. Come on, you can do it. All right, and relax your head on the mat. All right, guys, now you're rolling yourself up and tipping down your toes on the mat. Rolling high and really lift your booty off the mat when you roll up. You can grab the sides of the mat for a bit more stability. And when you go down, you want to extend your legs and touch the mat with your toes. So good. Love a good lower abs workout. I really mostly train my lower abs and my side abs, and that gives you beautiful ab lines. Up and extend. Yep. So good. I filmed this during sunset. It was like kind of 6 p.m. pre-dinner, and it was such a beautiful afternoon on the beach. And yeah, I hope you guys feel like you're here with me. In and all right, guys, now pushing your booty up high and you're twisting to the right. This one is super duper effective. Pushing your butt up high and twisting to the right. Legs go up straight. Yep. Up. And changing sides. Pushing your booty up high, twisting to the left. You know, I love all exercises to be in one flow, in one motion, and really working with your body and not having anything hectic. This is your time to de-stress. Come on, pushing up, twisting to the left. All right, guys, and relax. Now, your legs come up here and give me slow leg raises down. Upper body is high, low, and up. Down and up. I have my hands below my butt for a bit of lower back support. Feel free to have your hands behind your head or wherever, it doesn't really matter. Keep your legs straight, low and high. Relax your face here, your forehead. Give me a smile, even if it's a little mini smile. Down and stay here, keeping your legs straight and scissors here. Left and right, keeping your legs 90-degree angle, extending your right left, your left leg. I feel lazy like doing this voiceover and watching the workout. I should be on my mat doing this right now actually while doing the voiceover. I'll do that next time. Extend left, yep, right. It looks so good that I'm really craving to do this right now. Right and left. Extend. Yep, come on guys. You can do this. It's almost there. Right, left, giving you beautiful, defined, toned lower abs here. All right, and left. Keep going. All right, guys, and relax here. Okay, now your left leg is kicking in, only your heels on the mat. Heel in. Yep, and really use this time to say one kind thing to yourself. Comment on the video afterwards once you're done. What did you tell yourself? Something kind and supportive. There's no negative self-talk here. This is a judgment-free zone. And whatever you give today is enough, but make sure you give your best. I don't want you to end this video and you feel like, oh, I could have, given a little more. Now is your chance. Come on, right side. Kicking in, extend. In, extend. Yep. And really extend your legs down. The more you extend your legs, the more you really feel the strain on your lower abs. Low and up. Down and up. So good. Time is melting by here. Down and high. Yep. Upper body is high. Can feel your abs working. All right, and we crunch and extend your legs. In and extend. Yep. Also here, the more you extend, the more you lower your legs, the more power you're putting on your lower abs. Come on. In, extend. In, extend. Sending you so much sunshine and positive vibes from this beautiful beach in the Maldives. You go. In, extend. And roll yourself up here, turning around on the mat. If you need some water, you had to be quick here, grab some, and we're back in. All right, guys, high plank, we go. Come on, right and kicking up. Right knee into your chest and kicking up high. Yep, in, extend, in, extend. So good. Keep smiling here. Yep. In, back. If you can do this, you can do anything today. Keep that in mind. That's the good thing about working out first thing in the morning. Changing to the left. Come on. Kicking in, extend. You just feel like you already accomplished something that maybe you thought was hard to do, but then you feel so powerful and so strong to conquer anything that comes across your way later in the day. You go in, extend, knee to chest. Yep. And relax. All right, guys, cross climbers, right to left and switch. Left, right. Yep. Come on, side to side. And really give me that big rotation, side to side, right, left, right, left. I have a little mini surprise for you very soon. Come on. And guys, you are done. Good job. That went by so quickly, right? So my little surprise for you. Let me know how you feel, how you like this. I can't wait to hear from you in the comments. And please share with anyone looking for a good workout. And I see you in the next one. Bye, guys.